How to change name in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your Facebook Lite, then tap on the menu bar from the top right corner. After that, go to settings, then go to account center. Now go to profiles and then select your Facebook profile. From here, you will be able to see your name and username. Simply tap on the name and then you will be able to change your name from here. Simply tap on review change after you change the name and it will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.